Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. It looks like today we're going to do number 184. Let's start with this box here. We're missing a 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 8. An 8 here and a 1 here. So this is our 5. That 1 makes this our 8 and 1. We look at this row now, we're missing 5 and 6. I don't see any help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and a 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so that's our 4. 9 here, so 3, 9. To finish out this box, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9. No help here. 3, 8, 9. Oh, and a 3 and 9 here. So that makes this our 8. We can get rid of this 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 6. Up, and that 1 with this 2 makes this our 6. 2, 1. For this row, we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 6. That means our 9 has to be here. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 6, and that means that our 8 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. That 3 makes this our 9, 3. On the 6 makes this our 5, 6, 5, 6. For this top row then, we're missing a 6 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 5. I don't see any help. 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this column, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so 4, 6 here, so 2, 6. That 4 makes this our 5, 4. And to finish off this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so 5, a 1 here, so 7, and 1. All right, there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for our next puzzle.